Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Earlier namhlanje sifaka udaba lukaFikile Mbalula ukuthi ngenkathi kuyiwe Robben Island ngomhla ka8 uhambe yena ngeprivate luxury yacht yomunye usomabhizinisi onamathenda. Lokho ke okwenza ukuthi Sunday Times inake lokho yaze yasho ukuthi lento ithumela umlayezo ophambene nalento esho iANC ngoba iANC ithi yona ifuna ukuconnecta nabantu ibakhathalela abantu izwe idingo zabo kodwa uma sekubonakala kusetshenziswa iluxury iskepe lesesiyi luxury iyachi le esetshenziswa uFikile Mbalula kuthumela simunye umlayezo ukuthi hawu iANC ifuna ukuconnecta nabantu kodwa isuspenda kakhulu kuyi-trip eya nje Robben Island kunokuthi ithathe leyo mali ispende edingweni zabantu. Enkulumeni ke yala singize ngafaka nenkulumo kaGwede Mantashe obebuziwe ke yena waze wachaza ukuthi cha yebo khona iANC ethatha isinqumo sokuthi uFikile Mbalula ahambe ngaleyo yacht kodwa akuyona iNEC ngoba iANC kihlukene khona abaphethe logistics ibona ababe responsible. Umbalula ke naye useziphendulele. Umbalula useziphendulele ngoba uGwede Mantashe ubethe uma bebonana kuzofuneka ukuthi achaze umbalula ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi yena ahambe ngeyacht ngoba bekufanele wonke ama leaders ahambe ngefere yodwa usho umkhumbi lo wase museum owodwa. Kodwa akakwenzekanga ngoba bathe umbalula bekuneyindlela eziningi abafuneka attend. I-office ke lika Mbalula noma umbalula ukhiphe incwadi. Ngizoyifunda ke incwadi yakhona. Ithanda ukuba yinde ngizoyifunda nje ungibekezelele. Ngizozama ukuyifunda ngingangengizi ngoba isilungu. Ngizoyifunda half ngiyifunde ngiyihumushe size sifike ekugcineni. Ifundeka kanje. Isihloko sawo sibhalwe kanje: ANC statement on transport utilized during Secretary General's visit to Robben Island. The African National Congress, ANC, has noted with concern a certain misleading narratives surrounding the mode of transport utilized by the Secretary General, Comrade Fikile Mbalula, during the recent visit to Robben Island as part of the ANC's 113th anniversary commemoration. Bathi ke lana iANC siqaphelile ukuthi kune concern futhi emisleader inarrative mayelana netransport esetshenziswe uGeneral Secretary uComrade Fikile Mbalula uma eya eRobben Island njengoba bebeyo commemorate i113th anniversary ANC. We categorically reject the misinterpretation that the Secretary General's transport choice was an indulgence in luxury. This operation decision was guided solely by practical and logistical considerations to ensure the efficient execution of a tightly packed program. The Secretary General had an intense schedule on the day, which began in Robben Island, followed by a wreath-laying ceremony in honor of Comrade Songezo Mjongile, a regional cake-cutting ceremony, and multiple stakeholders' engagements. Every engagement requires precise coordination to ensure that all obligations were met without delay or disruption. To suggest that such logistical decisions were anything other than necessary is to willfully ignore the realities of a demanding leadership role during a historic occasion. Lana bathi bafuna ukurejecta le misinterpretation esikhona ngokubonakala kaGeneral Secretary esebenzisa iluxury yacht le ayisebenzisini. Bathi lesinqumo lesi basithathe bathi ngoba bathe mabebheka bathola ukuthi ischedule anaso ngalolo suku sitight kakhulu. Ngakho kufuneka ukuthi athole into ezokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuthi afinyelele kuzo zonke le ndawo afuneka afike kuzo ngesikhathi ekufanele afike kuzo. Okokuqala bekufuneka aye khona eRobben Island. uma iphuma khona ahambe kuyobekwa uComrade Songezo Mjongile. Uma ephuma lapho kuyosikwa ikhekhe, uma ephuma ekusukeni ikhekhe bekunama engagement nama multiple stakeholders, and wonke lama engagement abakhona bekufuneka afike kuwo ngesikhathi esinqunyiwe futhi kwenzeke yonke into efuneka yenzewe kahle. Yingakho ke baze bethi ngcono bethatha isinqumo sokuthi akahambe ngale Luxury, ngoba ziyayizibeningi izinto ezenzekayo uma kwenziwa umcimbi njengalo omlando kanje. Ingakho ke bathathe lesinqumo sokuthi ngoba ischedule sakhe si tight, si demand ukuthi akabe seyindaweni eziningi, akusetshenziswe ke lolu hlobo lomkhumbi osetshenzisiwe. Asithathe iparagraph yesithathu. There was no unethical conduct or undue benefit delivered from these arrangements. The businessman in question is a reputable above-board entrepreneur whose relationship with ANC is limited to being a stakeholder. As in the case with many other legitimate partners who share in the goal of building a better South Africa, there is also a need to acknowledge the apparent coordinated effort to discredit the ANC by painting its stakeholders and associates in a negative light. This growing trend seeks to delegitimize lawful partnerships between the ANC and credible business people, relationships that remain essential in driving forward the socio-economic transformation agenda. The ANC will continue to defend and foster these partnerships as they are critical to achieving the goal of the National Democratic Revolution. Chabatha akukho ke okungalungile obekuhleliwe ngalama arrangement abewenziwe. Futhi no businessman lo umuntu onesithunzi futhi nje ongusomabhizinisi ozimele. Ubudlelwane bakhe nabo neANC buphelele ukuthi uyi stakeholder. Futhi njengamanye ama-business partners abasebenzisana nawo ngoba kungabantu abashare igoal eyodwa ukubona iSouth Africa engcono. Bathi kune-trend embi abayibona ikhula lezama ukuphazamisa ubudlelwano obukhona phakathi kosomabhizinisi ne-ANC, kube sengathi njengoba behlangene kusuke kuney'nhloso ezingezinhle, kanti lokho akunjalo. Osomabhizinisi laba bazoqhubeka babadefende ngoba ukuba khona kwabo kwenza ukuthi kubanjiswane kahle ekwakhiweni iSouth Africa engcono. Ilokho nje abakushilo. Athi sithathe iparagraph sithathe iparagraph elandelayo bese ngithi yokugcina sengifuna ukuqeda. The ANC remains resolute in its mission to address the socio-economic challenges facing our country, reflecting on the overwhelming success of the January 8 statement rally. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the people of Khayelitsha and the Western Cape for their enthusiasm and unwavering support. The rally demonstrated once again the deep bond between the ANC and the people it serves, and it symbolized a renewed commitment to unite and progress. In the line with this renewed commitment, we proudly declare 2025 to be the year of renewal to make ANC more effective instrument of the people to achieve the vision of the Freedom Charter. The people shall govern, the people shall share in the country's wealth. Lana bathi ke basami nakho ukuthi bazimisele ukuthi ba-address inkinga ezibhekene nomphakathi, be-reflecta nabo kuzo zonke izinto ezenzekile, kodwa bayabonga kakhulu kubantu umphakathi waseKhayelitsha ngokwenza irally yabo ibe impumelelo nokwemukeleka khona, bazimisela ukuthi benze u2025 ube ngcono, nanokuthi ANC ibe yi-instrument ezokwazi ukuthi ithathe ivision yabantu iyenze iphile. Isona ke statement lesi esikhishwe i-office kaMnumzana uFikile Mbalula besichaza kabanzi mayelana nesinqumo esigcine esithathu ukuthi yena akasebenzise iLuxury yachi le ayisebenzisile. Ngeke phela sikubalekele ukuthi iLuxury. Cha mina engicela ungenzele khona ukushiya i-comment yakho comment section below. Ungitshela wena ubona kanjani. Emveni ubusilaleli statement ngoba sikhona ku screen sakho wasifunda kuthini ukuphawula kwakhe. Ilokho nje ngicela kuwe. Kokunye ke angeke ngisho lutho, ngizothula nje njengasepasini. angeke ngize ngisho lutho nje, ngeke ngifakaze lutho nje. Futhi ke angiyena umhlaziyi, angeke ngize ngihlaziye lutho nje. Uthatha inkulumo njengoba injalo ngiyilethe la. Uma nginombono ngizowubeka, kodwa kulokho asikho isikhala la ngingafanele ngibeke khona umbono wami. Inhloso yami nje bekuthi ngikulethele istatement ukuthi cha, uMbalula ugcine seziphendulele naye ukuthi kungani yena ehambe specifically nje ngale yachi yena yedwa. Futhi washo ukuthi isho ukuthini yonke lento ebiyenzeka. Kukuweke ukuthi wena uyakukholwa lokho noma kawukukholwa. Mina nje okwami bekukulethela la. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngesupport yakho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubukele lama video. Kusho likhulu kimi lokho. Ngiyabonga.